Changing your username on Outlook can help you personalize your account or update your information. Follow these steps to successfully change your username. Step 1. Sign into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook sign-in page. Enter your current email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Your Info. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Your Info section. Click on it to view personal information and account details. Step 4. Edit your username. Find the option to edit your username or email address. Click on the Edit button next to your current username. Enter your desired new username and follow any prompts to check its availability. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes. You may need to verify your identity through a confirmation email or other security measures before the change takes effect. Once you have completed these steps, your Outlook username will be updated. Make sure to inform your contacts of the change if necessary.